welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. As for me, I am doing wonderful. So guys, you can see I'm so happy. I'm overwhelmed this morning because of how amazing God have been to me and my family. Yes. So, without wasting much of your time, guys, today we're going to be making a very delicious and inviting recipe for this cold winter, and it's going to be goat meat pepper soup. But unfortunately, here in UK, we don't have goat meat with the skin on it. But lucky me, I managed to get some goat food. So that's what I'm going to be using to make my goat meat pepper soup today, with a little bit of goat beef without the skin. So guys, without wasting much of your time, I'm going to let you know that this cooking is not just going to be me alone. It's going to be in collaboration with my beautiful and amazing, wonderful sister. She is no other person than Simply Natural. She is simple, she is natural inside and outside. Yeah, don't ask me how I managed to know if she's simple inside, because I know she is simple and amazing, guys. She is amazing. I reached out to her last week and I asked her if we can please do a collaboration together, and she was happy to say yes, why not. So she came up with this idea of us making goat meat pepper soup, and I was happy with it. So that's what we're going to be making today. Please guys, when you're done watching this video, please, please help me to go to her channel. I'll be putting her link on the description box. Please help me go to her channel to visit her. Make sure you join her family. Make sure you watch her video. Please guys, for the sake of your sister here, for the love you have for me, make sure you show her that same love. Okay, thank you very much guys. Thank you for being one of the best subscribers that I'll ever ask for. Thank you for clicking on my video. Thank you for being amazing guys. So without wasting much of your time, I'm going to start to show you all the list of the ingredients I'm going to be using to make this goat meat pepper soup. And please, as I said earlier, don't forget to visit my beautiful sister and be part of her family. She is lovely. I bet you when you go there, you are not going to go back without staying. Oh my God, she is amazing. You need to see her cooking. You need to see her mukbang video. That was what drew me to her channel. I saw her on one of her mukbang with, I think, oatmeal swallow with okra soup. That was how I fell in love with her. I bet you by the time you go to her channel, oh, I don't need to convince you to subscribe to her. You are going to be convinced with what you're going to see there. She is amazing. She is amazing. If you are the type that don't like eating, oh my God, be ready to start eating. When you see her eating, you will be hungry to start eating also. Yeah. So guys, without wasting much of your time, let me put all my stuff together so I can take you through all the list of ingredients that I'm going to be using. And before I start cooking, I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you very much, Simply Natural. You are beautiful, you are amazing, you are wonderful. God bless you for giving me this opportunity to do my first collab with you on YouTube. I'm so grateful. I'm happy. May God Almighty richly bless you and your family. So guys, let's get started. Oh, hey, oh, hey. I don't know how to dance, but I love dancing. So manage the one I can give you. Yeah. So in here, I have my goat meat already washed. I will start by adding some onion, teaspoon beef stock powder, salt, and I'll add some water and cover so it will cook for about 15 minutes. So after cooking for 15 minutes, I drain off the water and I'm going to start adding in the goat beef. So right now I'm going to add in again teaspoon of beef stock powder, and I will add in some salt. The reason why I'm adding this again is because I already sieved off the water that I used to parboil the goat meat. So right now I'm adding enough water that will help me to cook it, and I will start by blending 5 Scotch bonnet pepper, half onion, and these are my pepper soup spice. They are already grinded. So I have on some crayfish, some grinded crayfish, mint leaf, and red bell pepper that I'm going to be using half of it. So right now I'm going to be adding in some yam. That's after cooking again for 10 minutes, altogether 25 minutes. I'm going to be adding in some yam. And I will add in more water. And at this moment, I'm just pouring in my blended Scotch bonnet pepper and onion. So I'll add in more water and allow to cook for another 15 minutes so the yam will get cooked properly. So altogether it's going to be cooking for about 40 minutes, which is the goat meat is going to be cooking now for about 40 minutes. So at this point it is well cooked, the yam is well cooked. So I'm going to be adding my pepper soup spice already blended. I will drop the list of all those pepper soup spice on the description box, do check it out. So I'm adding in my grinded crayfish, and I'm just going to stir them together. So I'm going to taste to see if my seasonings are okay. And yes, my salt and beef stock powder is enough. So I'm going to be adding in my mint leaf. This mint leaf is going to give it a turning point. Oh my god, it's going to give it that nice aroma and the taste is going to be divine. So when I'm done with the mint leaf, I'm going to let it cook for about 1 minute. Then I'm going to be putting in more Scotch bonnet pepper because I want it to be very spicy, that my nose will be bringing out water when I'm eating it. So I just added in the red bell pepper and I'm just going to allow it to cook for just a minute because I don't want the heat to burn off the spiciness of my pepper, and I want the red bell pepper to have that nice flavor when I'm eating it. So that's it, my goat meat pepper soup is ready with the yam. Oh my goodness guys, you need to give this recipe a try this winter. I bet you you're going to enjoy it. So this is the end result of my goat meat pepper soup. I hope you do enjoy this recipe. Please, if this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification bell so you never miss any of my uploads. And to those of you that are coming from Simply Natural, thank you very much for watching this video. I appreciate you all here. I appreciate you all, my old, my new, my returning subscribers. Thank you very much. And please don't forget to help me to go to Simply Natural's channel. Show her some love. Give her that love that you normally show me on this channel. Thank you very much. Till I see you again on my next recipe. Keep on being good. Enjoy yourself. And remember, God